conscious frog. His name is Fufu the frog. He eats only leafy vegetables and runs away from insects. You don't believe me? Come, let's see. You can see that he is moving away when I am offering insects. When I give him leafy vegetables, he is coming to eat it. The idea behind this is that I have kept magnets underneath the frog and the food. Magnet has a field around it known as the magnetic field. It has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Similar poles repel and different poles attract. I have kept similar facing poles underneath the frog and insects, so it moves away. Whereas the poles facing are different below the frog and the leaf, so they get attracted. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe to my channel. It motivates me. For more such 2-minute science videos, check out the playlist given.